Bonjour à tous, c'est Janice de Correspondance Française. J'espère que vous allez bien. Today we're gonna explore how to create an immersive atmosphere to improve your listening skills. So if you're struggling to understand French, you're in the right place. Let's do it. So the first thing to do to immerse yourself at home is to try to listen to French as much as possible. So here, this is a Radio France app that you can download on your phone. Like this, thanks to it, you can listen to French all the time, when you're driving, when you're cooking, etc. So you can find all the radios of France and also podcasts on different subjects. So it's a very useful tool. Then the second app who is very useful is the Arte app. So it's a channel who is also German, but the content is made with a lot of quality. So don't hesitate to download it and to put the movies in French with the French subtitles. Then the other thing you can do to listen to more French is to look for French songs playlist on the platform you use to listen to music. So you can look for Variété Française, and like this you can find like all the famous French singers, and it can be fun to try to understand the lyrics. Then the other thing you can do is to change so the language when you're watching a movie, so on Netflix or on another platform. You can also put the subtitles in French. Like this you can improve your vocabulary and to see how the structure of the sentence are. So it's a good habit to take. You can also change the language of your devices. For this, maybe wait to have a better level like B1, B2 to not have too much troubles, but it can force you to try to understand French even more. Then the third thing you can do is to read a little bit of French every day. So for that, here you have one tool also who is free. It's the website of France Info. You can have it in app, and you can read a little bit of it every day, like the morning when you drink your coffee. You can try to read one article, and step by step, it can help you to learn more vocabulary and to understand French a little bit more. So thank you for watching, and if you want to improve your French, book a lesson with us. See you soon, à bientôt.